What's good, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And today we have not a banger, but we have a clean shoe. We have the Pearl Air Jordan 11s. This is a women's release, as you can tell. But before we get into this review, let's shout out some shoes. We have the Taxi 12s. So make sure y'all go watch that video. That video is out right now. Hey. All right, Taxi 12's out now. Make sure y'all go watch that. We also had a phone positive video out right now. We have the Voodoo Air Jordan low ones out. So make sure y'all go watch those videos. I have a couple more videos out, so keep watching. The hell? All right. All right, y'all, we are on the road to 2,000 subscribers. We're at about 1,600, so all we need is 400 subscribers. So make sure y'all keep subscribing, keep sharing the videos. I be reading y'all comments. I appreciate y'all commenting. Appreciate the energy. Appreciate y'all answering my questions and all that. So showing love to y'all today. All right, let's get into the review. All right, y'all, this is the box that it comes in. It says Sail, pearl gray, and white. Again, this is a woman's release, but it does come in preschool and toddler. This is how they come wrapped. First thing I like about the shoe, I like that it's matte. Like that pearl gray is matte. I also like the sail outsole too. I like that as well. And then we have that light gray, that pearl gray right here. We have some satin ribbon material laces. I do like that as well. We have a white sock lining. This is the back of the shoe, 23 on the back. And then we have this, it's in a pearl gray on the tongue. Forgot to talk about this. There's a gray Jumpman on the bottom as well. So those are the details of the shoe. And then it also comes with this pearl charm. I'm not the biggest fan of charms on shoes, but I honestly will like take it off and like wear it on a bracelet or on my keys or something. So I do like it for that, but I don't really like charms on shoes. They're also called the Grand Finale. So Pearl and Grand Finale is the names. This shoe actually dropped for Singles Day. They come out November 11th. And again, they come out women's, preschool, and toddler. The retail is $235 on these shoes, which is outrageous. I honestly think these shoes are worth like a good $100. I would buy these for $100. I'm not buying them for $235. But for like the really feminine sneakerheads or people that just like white shoes and things like that, it's a good shoe. I like it. I think it's a clean shoe. Again, I really like the matte finish. I really, really like that. I do like the laces. But again, do y'all think this shoe is kind of out of touch? Is it going to attract more men or is it going to attract more women? I think it's nice, but I just think a women's shoe doesn't always have to be like super girly, in my opinion. I don't think it has to be like super girly, like the ribbon laces, the charm. Like it just be kind of overdone for me. But I do like it though. I just don't think they're worth $235. They worth a good $80 to $100. I would definitely cop for that price. But this has been another episode of Shoe Talk. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Again, still on the road to 2,000 subscribers, so keep subscribing. Let me know what y'all think about this shoe in the comments. Are y'all buying these for y'all girls? Women, are you buying? Let me know what y'all think. All the Jordan 11s coming out. This is honestly not a good time for these shoes. I don't think it's ever going to be a good time for this drop, but it's just not a good time. Like, I'm definitely getting Gammas. Rare Airs came out. Like, I'm not worried about this. Again, $80 to $100, not $235. But appreciate y'all for watching.